In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to change the screen brightness on your Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Now I'll show you several ways of doing it. The first method is by the quick settings panel. If you go there and find the settings icon, you can tap on it and you can use this to adjust the screen brightness of your Galaxy Fit 3. Okay. Alternatively, you can swipe up from the bottom and then go to settings and then go to display, tap on that, and then again you should see brightness there and you can use that to adjust screen brightness once again. Now you can also use the Galaxy wearable app. Just launch the app and then go to band settings and then go to display and then go to the brightness slider, and you can use that to adjust the screen brightness of your Galaxy Fit 3. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.